Your SSD or HDD does not show up when you try to install Windows 11. This is a common issue with many modern PCs. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it. So, let's dive into the video. First, let's try the regular Windows installation. As you can see, my drive does not show up. Only the Windows bootable USB drive is detected. Now close all the windows. For the next process, you'll need another PC. I'll put the download link in the video description so you can download the zip file from my official website. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. So we'll create a new folder with the same name as the zip file. Double-click the zip file to open it, then open the created folder. Highlight all the files inside the zip file, then drag and drop them into the created folder. After that, close all the windows. Now connect your Windows bootable USB drive. Open it. Copy the extracted folder and paste it into the bootable USB drive. Once the copy is complete, close the window. Next, connect the bootable USB drive to the PC where you want to install Windows 11, and continue with the installation as usual. When you reach the screen where your SSD or HDD is missing, click Load Driver. When File Explorer opens, open the bootable USB drive, select the folder we copied earlier and click OK. Now select the first driver in the list and click Next. Windows Setup will now load the storage driver into memory. This allows the installer to communicate with your SSD or HDD. After a few seconds, Windows will automatically scan for available storage devices. As you can see, all of my drives are now showing up correctly, and I can continue installing Windows 11 without any problems. So what we did was download the correct storage driver, copy it to the Windows bootable USB drive, and load it during Windows setup. This is required on many newer laptops and desktop PCs that use Intel RST or VMD storage controllers. I hope this tutorial helped you solve the problem. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Windows 11 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and PC optimization tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.